Good morning! Are you saying hi? Oh, hi. Hi? My camera! You think this is funny, Mommy? Daddy? Or Dada? Dada? You okay? Wanna hold the camera? Say hi. Hi. What are you doing? Are you holding the camera? You take a video? Yeah? You take a video? Where are you gonna take the video? Oh, are you showing them your diaper? Yeah? There's Ozzy. Hi. You want it back? Uh-oh, you dropped it. Hi. Hi. Oh, what the boogies? Hi. Hi. I see you. What do you want to tell everybody? A fish? Are you showing them all your stuff? Fish? You want to show them your fish? Go ahead, show them your fish. Ooh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no! Ah! Bye guys! See, we're gonna read some books. Since we're ready for night-night. Say you got your bath and had your dinner? Yeah? And you're gonna read some books and we'll go night-nights? Can you tell the camera bye? Say night-night, camera. Look. Say night-night. Night-night. Bye, guys. We'll catch you in the next vlog.